feeding cats. And Gracie. The cat that won't eat. I try feeding her all the time, but she won't eat because she's sick. Gracie. Look at Diamond. Where'd you go? Isn't this a beautiful cat? Oh no, he's afraid of Gracie. Death Battle Cat. Remember to like, share, subscribe, guys. Catman 2. We rely on your subscriptions and views, trying to make money, which I haven't made a penny. And hopefully, I get monetized soon. Help the cats out. Anyways, raining. Gotta go feed the other cats. I'm gonna check in with them and show you those cats too. Battle Cat's doing good. Gracie doesn't eat. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe.